Before the discovery of automation technology in mining activity, rail setting was supported manually using lumber. The lumber will be cut based on required size needed. After a block of lumber had been cut and arranged as rail pads and assemble conventional rail, assembly will be done by putting a block of lumber underneath as a pad, and then the rail will be assembled by some gauge which had been predetermined. Then the rail tethered to lumber beams using rail spikes. Match procedure. This match will be divided into 2 sessions. The first session is Swede sawing, and the second session is rail setting. Participants are asked to put down the lumber in the ground towards the lumber holder and cut the lumber on the chopping block with a certain size. 4 meters long lumber are cut into 5 parts with the length of 4 x 0.75 meters long and 1 meter. Lumber with size of 1 meter needs to be cut again at one end with a length of 4 times 6.25 centimeters. Once the cuts are made, the participant returns their residual lumber and the cut to the designed place by the committee. The chopped lumber will be used by the cutting team in session 2. Session 2. The chopped lumber with size of 0.75 meters is the lumber used as pads. The length of the rail is 3 meters. The distance between the pads is 0.6 meter and for gauge rail is 0.5 meter. Participants will put the lumber in place that had been marked, then put the top rail. Participants tether the rail using rail spikes. After everything is installed, the participants return to their original position and will be evaluated by the judge.